Take a peek at the king room we had at Horseshoe in Bossier City, Louisiana. We are Caesar's Rewards members, so we are always blessed with staying at any Caesar's properties at no cost. The rooms are always nice, spacious and clean. We have never been disappointed. This location was very comfy and had plenty of space for us, including a large deep tub to soak in. The rooms at Caesar's hotels are always nice, spacious and clean. We have never been disappointed. We love Caesar's.